What is the difference between financed and cash offers? Hi, I'm Todd Schroth of the Todd Schroth Home Selling Team, and today we're going to discuss those different options. Not much except for the power behind the number. The seller always gets the bottom line. Let's talk about the different financing types that we have. We have cash, conventional, FHA, VA, USDA, private money, and owner financing. The bottom two we typically don't see right now in this market because the rates are so good and the financing is easy to get. Private money, again, that's usually someone paying a higher rate, a couple points, mostly investor type financing if it's a distressed property. But let's talk about our top three financing options: conventional, FHA, and VA. VA are great because it's a 100% down, or it's a 100% financed offer for the veterans. Great that we're able to do that for them. There is a risk with the appraisal sometimes and with the types of condition the property's in. FHA, another great opportunity for buyers that are first-time buyers coming in with 3.5% down, a little bit lower credit scores, able to get more buyers into properties. Those two are harder to finance these days because the amount of offers we're getting that are cash or conventional. Now let's talk about conventional contracts. Conventional, you're typically looking between 5 and 10 or 20% down, even 3% down. There are some 100% conventional financing programs. We don't see a lot of those. Typical conventionals between 5 and 20% down. We always love when we see 20% down because that means the buyer's got some good skin in the game and they're trying to avoid mortgage insurance and actually trying to get a good payment on the property that they're looking at. The big difference between conventional and cash offers really comes down to, is an appraisal needed, and is that buyer willing to pay over appraisal? If it's a conventional offer, we always have to think about, do they have the additional cash to close on that side as well? And on the cash offers, if they're offering over asking price, we know they're going to close because we see the proof of funds. There's usually not an appraisal given or an appraisal done on a cash property because it's just straight close. You do your contract in 7 days, get the inspection done, and then you pretty much go to closing after there once you get clear title. So if you've got a competing offer of, let's say, conventional 20% down versus cash wants a better deal because they're paying cash. Well, at the end of the day, it's a bottom line to the seller. They're getting the same amount. I'm going to go with the financed offer. So there is some power behind the bank statement or the approval letter, but it all depends on what the bottom line is and what the seller's motivation is. You guys have a great day. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.